What's going on, guys? This is your boy Johnny Press. Welcome to the garage. What's going on, guys? Today I got a project for the Tundra, and I got two packages for it. So try to guess. It's a hood LED mount for the light. This is the light, and it's gonna be sitting on top of the hood, mounted something like this. Make sure you stay tuned so you can see how we do this, and you can learn. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do is a setup similar to that. Bracket, which is under, and the light. By the way, guys, it's a new year, new me, and look at what I just purchased. The year has officially started, and we are on fitness mode. Got this for $60. You know that famous app where people buy everything. That's where I got it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every time you do, it's a party, 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 party. Guess who's here to help? Uncle Rich. You! Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna install this bracket. Let me mock it up so I can show you how it's gonna go. Gonna get a little something in right here. I think that's probably good enough.
Bro.
So all we're gonna do is loosen up the bolts. Craftman sets.
And then I have to lift this up and then you put it in.
Alright, I'm gonna two-man it. Boom, chakalaka.
These work better than mine.
Now we're gonna tighten them up. Show you a close-up. As you see, it vents with the hood. Very good made. The other angle where that light's gonna be extended out. We're gonna put this bolt down like this. We're gonna put a washer and a lock washer underneath right here. We want to do it one at a time so you don't end up losing it like I did twice. The light itself in the back has got a nut here. And it comes with a shorter bolt. You shoot it like this. But first you want to put a washer, lock washer.
Oh, okay.
¿Te la ves de este ángulo?
Ah.
Then you could adjust down or up. And then you make it all tight.
Alright.
We're just gonna go ahead and tighten up the screws, the bolts.
Mine, bro.
No, I like yours better, bro.
No, I'm saying mine are fucking whack, bro. Like the way they shake. Your brackets are sturdy.
I'm sure that is shake too. Is that a good angle or what?
Yeah.
Straightforward?
At night you ain't gonna get it right now. At night is when you're gonna get it.
Let me show you guys what I'm doing from back here.
Oh, they look pretty nice, bro.
Just cut.
Better than what I thought.
Wow.
I thought you were gonna make them.
You're offending me, bro.
I thought you were gonna make them go up. Sí, sabes lo que haces. No estás tan güey.
Wow, I'm a good mechanic, bro. There you go. That's one. We're gonna do the reveal. Boom, shakalaka. This is what I used to have before, and this is what I have now. I don't know what's best. Leave it on the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe like always. Like I said, guys, there's a screw back there somewhere. Hear that? Just gonna tighten up. These lights might be easy to steal, but you know, I'm gonna make it tight enough so they struggle.
Nobody's gonna be stealing this, bro.
No one's gonna be stealing these ugly lights, according to.
That's old school shit when people do that.
Yeah, nobody do that. We live in a nice neighborhood. Cut. Just leave it like that for now. And of course, the reveal. Final reveal. Now here comes the fun part, which is the wire harness. Positive, negative. Straight to the battery. Then these hookups to the lights. To each individual light. One light. Light number 2. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to fish the wire through the inside of the hood.
Not trying to.
This cuts. Yeah, I'm trying and he's doing. Cut. Estás cabroncísimo. This is a very simple wiring diagram. You got your positive, negative to the battery switch, which is already installed. You got your relay, and all you gotta hook up is one light. That's 2 cables for one light, positive and negative to your other light, and the battery, which is the ones with the loops right here, negative and positive. And then you turn on the lights with this rocker switch on and off. Simple. Okay, so I have the power, positive and negative running in here, and then 2 positive and negative running straight to the lights. And that gives me a remote control. Let me show you the final product. Let's see. Find my controller somewhere. Boom, baby. Ooh, looking good. All right, we're gonna go for a quick test drive and test the lights. See, K-Maca, that's the suegra right there. And let me tell you something, if the ice cream man, if the paletero passes through your neighborhood, you're not that rich, homie. I'd like to thank every single one of you guys for staying to the end. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow, I want to invite you to Cars and Coffees at Coachella, 6th Street. Sunday, January 12th at 8 in the morning to 10:30. So be there. We'll be recording, having fun, and having coffee, of course. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for staying to the end. Till next time. Good night.